Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to get involved in the ERC20 phase of the gCOTI Airdrop campaign. Participants of this phase will be able to lock COTI ERC20, USDC, and USDT and be rewarded with native gCOTI. Starting at COTI's treasury found at treasury.coti.io, we're going to click on the Programs tab. On this page, you can see the details of both parts of the campaign, both the native COTI campaign that just finished and the ERC20 campaign, which has this Soon icon that will change to Enroll once the campaign begins. On the Enrollment page, you'll be able to see the program status, which is currently set to Enroll. There's also a summarized program description just below. At a glance, you'll be able to see the total US dollar value of assets already locked in this part of the campaign, including a breakdown of the types of tokens deposited. Listed here will be the time and date the campaign closes, as well as when the gCOTI rewards will be airdropped. The drop date you see here is for the test environment we're in. The actual drop date for this campaign will be on the 1st of June. Down below, we have a monitor section. This is where our locked deposits will be displayed once completed. So now we're going to go ahead and click Connect, keeping in mind that a Metamask wallet is needed in order to participate. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, we can click Connect Metamask. A Metamask window will display showing you the accounts you have. You can select one or multiple accounts at a time before clicking Next and Connect. You'll then need to sign the transaction to continue. Once you're connected, you'll see a truncated version of your Metamask address next to this connected icon. You'll notice now that the Connect button has been replaced with a Deposit Now button. On the next page, you'll need to connect to your Viper wallet in order to let the system know where to send the native gCOTI rewards. Enter your email address and password to log in. On the next page, while our network is set to testnet, you'll see Mainnet listed instead. Below, you'll need to supply either the secret key or the seed phrase associated with your Viper wallet. Then we click Connect to continue. Now you'll see the new deposit page. Here, you'll choose all the parameters of your deposit. We can first select the asset type, which includes COTI ERC20, USDT, and USDC. In this demonstration, we're going to select USDT. Next, we'll enter the amount, and for this video, we'll choose 1,000. Then we have the lock period. You have three options of 180, 270, and 360 days, along with their respective gCOTI drop ratio percentages. Finally, we can see our verified Viper wallet address from the previous page. Once we've confirmed all the details, we're going to go ahead and click Deposit. A Metamask notification will pop up where you can check the relevant gas fees and the total amount before confirming the transaction. Once successful, you'll receive this confirmation screen with the transaction hash. By clicking on it, you'll be redirected to Etherscan to see the transaction details. Back to the ERC20 program page, you'll notice that the deposit we just made is now in pending confirmation status down in the monitor section. You can see the deposit amount, the drop amount, which will be announced once the program moves from enroll status to locked, and the status, which is currently waiting for on-chain confirmation. If we click on Manage, we can see all the details of our deposit. There's deposit status, deposit amount, drop amount, which will be updated after the campaign ends, our deposit time, and the locking period we choose, which in this case is 360 days. Then there's unlock time, which will populate once the transaction is confirmed. Below that is the drop time, which again will be on June the 1st, different from the example seen here in the test environment. Finally, our verified Viper wallet address that gCOTI rewards will be dropped to. In this Activities tab, we can see a time-stamped record of all of our transactions in the campaign. Going back, now we can see the transaction has been approved, with the status set to Submitted. We can go back and deposit again using different assets or selecting different locking periods by selecting Deposit Now once again. So that's it for how to lock your ERC20 tokens in the gCOTI Airdrop campaign. Just a reminder that this campaign will begin on the 24th of April at 1 p.m. UTC and will run for 2 weeks. Make sure to keep an eye out for updates on the campaign, and as always, stay COTI.